Hello, in this video I will show you how to implement the Lyric Starter website. We developed a template on WordPress. This is how it looks like. Basic skills are needed to use the Starter website template. We made it as easy to use as possible. First, you need to install your template by purchasing a domain and a hosting contract. A domain is where your website will live, for example, www.foras.ch, while the hosting is a server where the information will live. Ours is run through the Google Cloud platform. Therefore, first you need to set up a host on Google Cloud. Go to console.cloud.google.com. Log in with your Google-related account, which should be related to your think tank. Once you are logged in, you need to create a new project by clicking the drop down on the top left corner. Then use this button to add a new project. Normally, I would just call the project the same as your think tank name. Then click Next. This might take a couple of seconds. Once your project is set up, go to the Marketplace in the left side menu. Once there, search for WordPress Bitnami. There will be several options. You should use WordPress certified by Bitnami and press Launch. Once it's launched, choose a deployment name. Again, it could be the same name as your think tank. And then we recommend that you select a server in the area where you're located. For example, Western Europe, if that's where you're there. Also make sure that Allow HTTPS is checked before you hit Next. It will take a few minutes, but on the right-hand side of the screen, you should eventually get details here. You should write down the temporary password, as you can grab the site address and put it in a new tab on the web browser. And voila, you can log in by adding /wp admin to the URL. The initial username will be user, and admin password is what you have previously written down. Now, you need to import the starter website template. The first step, which is installing a fresh, clean WordPress website, has been done. The second step is to install all-in-one WP migration plugin. Go to the plugins page in the administration dashboard. Search for the all-in-one WP import plugin. Using the box on the top right, click install and then activate. Once the all-in-one WP migration is installed, go to the import tab and upload the file. This file will be given to you on the starter website how-to document. First, you need to download the file and then upload it to the plugin. If you get an error stating the file is too big, you will need to do some advanced configuration setup. No worries, it's relatively easy, and this will get you closer to becoming a badass hacker one day. You need to go to Google Console Computer Engine and then the VM instances. Next to your instance name, click SSH. This will open a Linux terminal. Look how cool. Now you just need to follow the specific instruction. You need to copy a specific demand. Then use the arrow keys down till you reach the file that contains post max size. Once you've reached there, press I. Now you can edit the file change to the value to 300 M. Once you're done with that, use the arrow key down till you reach upload max file size. There, change the value to 300 M as well. Press ESC, then a double colon, then W, and finally Q. You have successfully now modified the file if you are back in the console. Next, copy this command. Once everything is restarted, you can close this window and go back to your WordPress. Refresh the page and try to import the file again. It will take a couple of minutes to upload. Please note that once you import this file, your login will stop working. After your website has been updated, you will need to log in with the following information: a user and password we will provide. Now, you have your template ready. In order to activate the Impreza theme, you need to contact Voraus. To give your website your unique style, you can use the Impreza theme options. We recommend working cautious here. Keep it simple. Your content is supposed to be your star of the website. Now you can customize your website with WordPress. The website works with a color scheme. The default is black and white. You can use your colors, but you shouldn't use too many. There are a lot of colors you can choose from. If you don't have your own colors, use one from the color scheme. You can also then edit the color scheme. The best way to edit the single pages is the black toolbar on the top. Just navigate to the page you want to edit. Click Edit and edit the content. The template is made of 4 default types. Publications are created with categorized posts. You can edit them and create new posts like explained above. If you need a new author, go to Users, Add New, and give the new author a random username and email address. The role must be author. Then go to your new publication and choose the author. The events are done with this special plugin. Simply copy events to new drafts, edit, and publish them. See more information about events in the Voraus content guide. To make it easy for you adding new team members, we created a Become a Member bottom on the home page. It's in the How to Engage section. If you click on it, you'll see a pop-up. New members use this to register. You'll get an email with that uploaded content. With this contact, you can add new team members as described above. You can also edit the homepage. Click Edit in the toolbar to access the homepage backend. You just need to customize your contact the way of your liking. Each post can also be categorized easily. We recommend creating a fixed category concept with a handful of categories, not more than 6. This will make it easy for you and your visitors. Don't change anything else in the theme options unless you're a bit familiar with the theme. Please do a backup before updating. Just go to backup and download and save it somewhere. Now you're done with everything, and this is how your website will look like. For more information, visit the documents Starter Website How To or contact Voraus.